Good morning, Northumberland!
I'm Kyle Vandertorn.
And I'm Sean McNeil. Today is Star Wars Day.
May the 4th be with you.
I've never heard that before.
Okay, these are your morning announcements. There will be Frisbee today at 5 o'clock.
Lacrosse players are reminded that practice begins at 4 o'clock today after school.
There will be a CEP open house for new and potential CEP students and parents on Tuesday, May 5th at 6:30 p.m. here at the school.
The Graffiti Dance is this Thursday, May 7th from 7 to 10 p.m. Tickets will be sold Monday to Thursday, morning and lunch. Sign-ins can be done Monday to Wednesday. Tickets will be $6 in advance and $8 at the door. ID will be required. Come out in a white t-shirt and a Sharpie. Gonna be crazy.
Come out in a Sharpie.
Wearing a marker.
Anyone running in the Moore Run this week who has not submitted a permission form must see Miss Frank today. Today is the final day to accept the forms.
Meeting today at noon for all members of the Environmental Club in room 2001.
Happy 29th birthday to Mrs. McGilvery. Wishing you a great day from staff and students.
Happy birthday, Miss McGilvery.
Happy birthday.
Reminder to track and field athletes, there is no practice today on Monday after school. Our next practice will be Wednesday, May 6th, after school from 3:30 to 5 p.m. at the track.
The NRHS Relay for Life team will be having a bake sale Tuesday at lunch in the foyer. All proceeds are going to the Canadian Cancer Society.
There will be a teen health committee meeting today at lunch in the Teen Health Center. May your smile be as bright as the sun today.
And congrats to the Northumberland Model UN team for an amazing representation of Nighthawk at this weekend's Model UN at St. Thomas University. And a big congratulations to Ali Agayan for taking home honorable mention in Security Council. There will be no Model UN meeting until further notice.
And those are your morning announcements, Northumberland.
Have a good Monday.
Go!